Why is yawning linked to being tired, even though it brings in more oxygen? It's a curious phenomenon we all experience. Yawning often happens when we feel tired or bored. But why does this happen if yawning increases oxygen intake? Some scientists believe yawning cools the brain. When we're tired, our brain temperature rises. Yawning might help restore alertness and focus. It's also contagious. Seeing someone yawn can trigger your own. So, yawning is more than just a sign of tiredness. It's a fascinating response that connects us all.